Alright, welcome back to MultiMediaFilms. Today we got a little bit of a creativity set, some Toy Story stuff right here. I know the marketing's long past, but this was in the clearance aisle. It was like $3. So, not really. It was like $8, but still, it's pretty good. Feel like we've been letting the younger audience down, so we're gonna unbox something a little bit friendly, something a little bit friendly, family friendly. Don't worry, we'll get back to that mature audience later. But for now, we're gonna be unboxing some of this Toy Story stuff. So this is already, if you can tell, this is kind of like a build your own Forky. This movie is pretty good. It was actually really good. 9 out of 10. Very good. That's some loud plastic right there. So, and not only is this a build a Forky, this is you can also build like a 2D Buzz, which has some marker writing on it for some reason. Yeah, the Buzz is pretty trash, let's be honest here. The main focus is Forky. It's pretty cool. It's a giant spork. Eye indentations. Got some like Twizzlers, a strawberry and a blueberry Twizzler, two googly eyes, some of those fuzzy metal things, metal wire things, and I guess we'll kind of get an overview here of what we get. What is that? Oh, it comes with a sheriff badge. No Woody included though. You gotta pay like $80 for that. You want to get that legit Woody. So this is like the contents right here. Buzz is pretty trash. No one's gonna use the Buzz. They're probably just gonna throw it away. Let's be honest here. Comes with some clay, which is pretty cool. I feel like that's the only thing that everyone's gonna mess with. And this will go ahead and start a epic build montage, which is gonna be so epic. It's gonna blow you away. So I'll see you once this thing is all built. Alright guys, this is the finished product. As you can see, it's pretty good quality. Made of a nice cardboard material. Took a lot of work, say around 3 hours or something. This is definitely not made for 3-year-olds. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was pretty tough unboxing, but I think it came out pretty good. Put him next to the alien back there. See you on the next video. Alright, welcome back to MultiMediaFilms. About 2 weeks later, we finished it. No, I'm just kidding. It took around 5 minutes, something like that, to build. Now on the box it says this is for 3 and up. Let me tell you, this ain't for 3 and up. This is some kind of like Einstein project. So it's gonna need some parental guidance. You want to get this for your kids. Let's be honest here. I think it came out pretty good. It's definitely not accurate. He looks like Sporky's like cousin or something. You could just say that. It's not really Sporky. It's like Sparky or something like that. I don't know. Maybe for Toy Story 5 we get to see this new character or whatever. He's got the little rainbow on his foot, and I don't really know what else to say. There's not really much to say about Sporky. It was fun. I will recommend this for $8. It's a lot of fun to build. Oh, and also the clay smells like, I don't know what it smells like. It smells like corn product, like cornstarch. It's like, it smells pretty nasty, and it's cold. It feels kind of like Jello. It's not even like clay. And that's all there is to say. There's really not a lot you could say about Sporky up in here. I think it's worth $8. I'd recommend picking this up, but don't get this for your 3-year-old, because he's not gonna know what he's doing. He's just gonna be all confused. He's probably gonna make some kind of abomination of a character. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Hope I gave you some good information, and I'll see you in the next unboxing. Oh, and like and subscribe for more epic content of the multimedia kind. MultiMediaFilms, out and about. Alright, forgot to mention it came with a sheriff star, so you could like name your property. I mentioned it in the very beginning, but I didn't show it off. So here it is. My name's Brian, so that's a big reveal for the show. My name's Brian, first name. Actually, that's my last name. My first name's Sheriff. So they call me Sheriff Brian up in here. It's a pretty big reveal. Here's a Buzz. He was kind of like a bunch of like sticky styrofoam pieces, and then you just kind of put him on this template, and then he just becomes Buzz. That's all there is to that. And stay tuned for the next unboxing. MultiMediaFilms back again for like the 4th time. I'm gonna show you get some extra material. What you do with this extra material, you just wanna do a little bit of a some barbaric surgery here. And there you go. That's what you can do with the extra material. You can do some sort of like tribal fetish if you want to. And that's like where the $7 went into the extra material. And I think it's a pretty good deal. Get all that extra material for $7. Everything else, about $1. So, for reals this time, MultiMediaFilms, out and about.